Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke dulur, kali ini kembali di channel Cyber Custom. Oke, terima kasih buat dulur-dulur semua yang masih stay tune di channel Cyber Custom. Kali ini kita akan membagikan video lanjutan dari restorasi repainting Vespa ya. Oke, di kali ini kita sudah memasuki tahap base coat yang pertama. Jadi ini adalah lapisan base coat pertama yang nantinya kita akan lapisi dengan 3 lapis. Di lapisan pertama kali ini kita melakukannya secara tipis merata, atau juga kita semua tutup media dari panel-panel yang sudah kita siapkan dari kemarin ya. Oke, di sini nanti kita akan melakukan pengecatan di hari pertama dan kita keringkan dulu sampai kering sekitaran 2 hari. Setelah itu kita masuk ke base coat terakhir di mana kita akan melakukan finishingnya ya. Oke, kawan-kawan semua, yang saya gunakan kali ini adalah cat off white dari produknya Dana Gloss. Dan kita pakai cat yang NC ya. Oke, buat kawan-kawan semua, lanjut aja kita lihat videonya. Dan jangan lupa untuk subscribe dan aktifkan tombol loncengnya atau notifikasi. Dan juga jangan lupa di like video ini dan tinggalkan komentar yang positif atau juga saran yang positif ya. Oke, sekian dulu buat kawan-kawan semuanya. Terima kasih sekali lagi yang sudah stay tune di channel Cyber Custom. Subscribe guys, karena subscribe itu gratis. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kreativitas tiada batas.
Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was life, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled. Now I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough.
We hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your heart. Let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drink